Once you have found useful information sources for your subject and determined which search term to use, you have to consider how to make your information search more effective by using different techniques. Just to remind you, subject terms are used to describe the contents of database resources. Databases usually include a thesaurus or list of subject terms. It's important to use the same subject terms as the databases in order to get better search results. Here's an example from General Finnish Ontology, ISO. This is a list of subject terms that are used, for example, in University of Vaasa to describe contents. So you can check your search terms here in order to find broader concepts, narrower concepts, or related concepts. Let's look at the search techniques. There are different ways of combining your search terms. Here are Boolean operators and or not, which work in most databases. With the operator AND, you can include all the search terms. With the operator OR, you can include one or several search terms. And with the operator NOT, you can exclude a search term. You can also use several Boolean operators in one search. As a general rule, always use parentheses when including several operators in the same search statement. Here's an example. If the term consists of two or several words, it's good to use a phrase search. That means that you put quotation marks around the search term. That way the phrase appears in the same way also in the search results. Subject terms are used to describe the contents of database resources. Like I mentioned before, databases usually include a thesaurus or list of subject terms. Please notice that words used in phrase searches must be terms found, for example, from General Finnish Ontology ISO, or other subject terms lists, or within a particular field. So please don't make up your own sentences or word combinations, because they probably will not work as phrase searches. Here's an example in the University of Vaasa. Here we have a phrase supply chains and the term logistics, and they're combined with the Boolean operator AND. And here you can see that the term supply chains has stayed as one package of words as we wanted, instead of appearing as individual words in the search results. And under material type, you can see how many books, e-books, or theses you got. Then we have truncation and wildcard symbols. By truncating the search term, you can search for different word endings and spellings. For example, if you truncate the word like this, we will get source, sources, sourcing, and so on. By using wildcard symbols, you can replace one or several letters or characters in the search term. For example, the word organization can be written in different ways, and if you use a wildcard symbol, you can get both of these variations in the search results. Truncation marks and wildcard symbols can be different in different databases, so always remember to check what is used in that database that you're in. More information about search techniques can be found from the Moodle page of this course. There's a link to this material. And also from University of Vaasa under instructions, you can see here some search tips that you can look at.